Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I will discuss new topic of Unit 2 Intranet. Before this I have discussed Internet. Next I am discussing Intranet. Internet, as we know, is a public network. Internet is a public network and Internet is opposite of Internet. So Internet is a private network. Just remember the meaning. Internet is public network. Internet is private network. So as the name suggests, internet is public. Public means everyone can access internet, but internet is private network. It means it, for accessing intranet, you will have to take permission, you will have to take authority. No unauthorized permission can be granted. No unauthorized person can access intranet. So internet can be accessed by everywhere, can be accessed by anyone, by everyone or everywhere, but internet can be accessed by only the members of any organization. So internet is a private network which is used within an organization, and it is an internal network of any organization. So here it is written. We can also see the diagram. Internet means computers are connected with a server, only few computers. It is a small network also. Same is written here. Internet is a private network that belongs to a particular organization. मीन्स पर्टिकुलर एक ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर लगा है, उसी को बिलोंग करता है. इट इज़ डिज़ाइन फॉर एक्सक्लूसिव यूज़ ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड इट्स एसोसिएट्स सच एज एम्प्लॉयज़, कस्टमर and other authorized people. It means only authorized means only permitted persons can use this intranet, not all. It offers a secure, yes, it is a secure network than internet. Internet is not secure, but internet is secure platform to convey information and share data with authorized user. Confidential data or information and application can be made available to the staff through the intranet. Okay, means confidential means secret. We can share any kind of secret information in internet, but in on internet everything is public, so there is no secrecy. But in internet it is confidential, it is secret. Okay, so simple. Internet is a private network. It is accessed by the members of an organization. It is an internal network. It is used within an organization, means it is used inside an organization, and only some authorized and permitted people can access. It is very secure and small network. So it is like a private internet. Yes, internet is a private internet or an internal website that is operating within an organization to provide its employee access to information and records. Each computer in internet is identified by a unique IP address. IP means Internet Protocol Address. It is based on Internet Protocols TCP/IP. I have also discussed the full form: Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. So Internet is based on IP and TCP protocols and is protected from unauthorized access. Okay, Internet is always protected from unauthorized access, and for protecting system from unauthorized access, we need some hardware or software, that is firewall. Here we are using firewall. Firewall is any kind of hardware or software which protects our network from unauthorized access. So intranet is based on TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, and Internet Protocol. That's the full form. And also it is protected from unauthorized access using firewall and other security systems also. So it is basically very secure. It is private as well as secure. The firewall monitors the incoming and outgoing data packets. Okay, firewall is a system which monitors or checks incoming and outgoing data to ensure that they don't contain unauthorized requests. Okay, internet saves our network from any kind of unauthorized thing. So users on intranet can access the internet. Yes, if we are using intranet, we can easily access internet, but the internet users can't access internet because they won't be having permission. Internet is free, they can easily use, but for internet they must have permission. So internet users can't access internet if they are not authorized for it. Furthermore, to access the internet, the authorized user is required to be connected to LAN. Okay, LAN stand for local area network. So इंटरनेट में आपके पास LAN होता है. Similarly, in this diagram you can see LAN. LAN is always small. As we know, LAN, MAN, WAN, three networks are there. WAN is always biggest. WAN, MAN is bigger than LAN. and LAN is smallest. So smallest network में हम intranet, smallest network like LAN, in this we use intranet. This is a diagram, this is meaning. So it is a small secure private network. Okay, important topic it is, very important topic. So there can be asked, this can be asked in exam. In internal also I will give any question related with internet. Also there is one more network, extranet. I will discuss in next video. Just learn this, very important, and understand also. Thanks for listening.